Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I came up with my own condiment set. It weighs 200 grams, cost me about $30, and I've got my cutlery in here, and I can carry the coffee satchels, and I'll also show you how I make some containers for your dry salts, powders, creams, whatever you want to put in there, sauces, oils, dishwashing liquid. They're very handy. You can make them to size and easy to pack out again without taking large containers, so you can vary the size and the weight to what you want when you go camping. So stick around, and at the end of the video I'll show you the bags and everything else, let you know where I got them from. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and let's get into it. This one's actually got powdered milk that I've put in there, so it's enough for a coffee or a little bit extra if you're doing thickening up something you're eating. I've got garlic salt in this one. These ones are dishwashing liquid. Soy sauce in this one, and yeah, not limited to what you want to put in them. They start out as jumbo straws. You've probably seen them at McDonald's or something like that, and you can buy these off eBay. 100 of them will cost you about $14. They're a good diameter, and you can chop them up to whatever size you require. So the first thing to do is get me scissors, and I'll make a bigger one with the powdered milk. All you're doing is cutting it to size depending on what you want. The only tools you're going to really need are a pair of pliers, a cigarette lighter, and something to put in there. I'm using a little metal sieve that I found, or funnel that I found on eBay, which I use when I'm topping up my flask for drinking. So quite simply what you're doing is crushing the end, leave about 5 ml out, with the lighter, heat it up, try not to get it flaming, and then while it's still hot, hold the end down and seal it. Hold it with your pliers. It's ready to go. So test it, blowing it, sucking it, whatever you want to do, and you've got a sealed container. Funnel on and a spoon. Basically keep filling it up to whatever you want, be it a liquid or anything else. Leave about an inch at the end so that you've got somewhere to hang on to. Again, same process, crush the end, about 5 ml out. Makes everything nice and waterproof. You could use this for medication if you wanted to. And sealed and done. There's your powdered milk for a cup of coffee or whatever you want. A couple of things I will say is, if you're using oils, your olive oils, keep it a reasonable size so you can get a good grip on there and seal it. But what I do is actually keep the olive oils in a little plastic bag as well, just bought some little coin bags, or probably some people know them as deal bags. So I keep the oils in there just as a second safeguard in case they got squashed or punctured or something like that. And the same with the dishwashing liquid. But so far I haven't had any break open on me. That's just a little bit of a precaution. And I say soy sauce, tomato sauce, salt, whatever condiment that you want to put in there, you're away. So that's it. Simple and easy. So as I say, they're jumbo straws. You probably get them local as well, but I got mine off eBay and it was just $14 for 100. and you can make a huge amount of stuff. Right, getting back to the wallet that I said I was going to show you that I've got. This is actually a little wallet. I got it Red Dot. It was $10, and it was actually for all my cables, so for my camera gear and all that. But they're absolutely perfect. We've got the pouch, all the elastic straps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 separate containers. The pouch itself weighs 0.85 of a kilo. And I've got some coffee satchels in there that I've brought. Got my tin foil if I want to wrap up some spuds and chuck them on the fire. Have my array of condiments. I've got a small knife in here just for cutting the plastic open, because they are quite tough. These are just a couple of dollars again on eBay. And I've got my jet boil set, which is fork, knife, fork, spoon and spatula that I can take with me, and it all fits in here as well once it's folded down. They will extend out, so great little item. Well, that's my condiment wallet. If you found this useful, somewhere down there you do the old thumbs up, and please subscribe, hit the notifications if you want to see some more videos that I've got coming out on kayaking, hiking and out on the motorbike doing a bit of stealth camping. Lots more to come once this COVID thing is over. I plan to get out and down the southwest. The trip was cancelled this weekend, so it'll be coming up shortly. I think I'm lifting all the borders. And all the best to everybody. Please keep the shiny side up. That's me.